Wondering if the USA Gundam Store $29.99 subscription box is worth it? Let's check April's box contents. First, we find the small sticker for the month. Then, this almond plane kit. Interesting. Next, we got some Apex detail parts, some DUA RX-78 detail parts, a new Apex pen. Then we find the full-size sticker, both stickers, sweet, 144 scale first sheet of red mecha decals, AW thrusters photo etch parts, an always handy gray Gundam Panaline marker, and the HG Sky Zero. This month we got 2 kits on the box for a total retail value of $61.83.